Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from the United States. There's a fella down in Lakeside, California named James who keeps sending me boxes of really cool stuff. This is another one. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, wow. Well, these look interesting. I don't know if they're Taiwanese or Chinese, but it's a soba noodle with spring onion. And it looks like, I don't know, is that like a little pony or something on it? I don't know, but we'll find out. This will be interesting. Thank you. Here's one from Thailand, and I don't honestly think I have reviewed this. This is Mama Instant Rice Vermicelli Duck flavor, as you can see by the large text. And duck flavor is an interesting one, and it has a strong following. So, yeah, maybe I need to get some duck to go with it. Here's a cool one. I've actually had this. This is the sour, hot, spicy omachi, and I found a set of these omachi varieties at a local Asian grocery, and I was floored. I've always wanted to try this stuff, and it's honestly pretty good. So, yeah, this is a good one. Alright, so this is an interesting one. This is Taiwanese, and this is a variety that comes with Wad Yao cooking wine. I'll have to do a little bit of research on it, but that's really cool. I've seen this one around. He included the actual packaging that it came with, and because this is from a multi-pack, so that's really helpful. Thank you very much. And what's the company? Woomoo. That's it. Cool, thanks. Wow, this is really neat. This is a Thai snack noodle, meat crab. Wow. And it's pad Thai flavor. So they're like bits of noodles, and they make them into little cubes, and then you just eat them like chips. But yeah, this is cool. I'll have to review it, but I want to open it right now. Cool, another Vietnamese variety I haven't tried. This is a crab flavor, and it's thick. I mean, this thing is thick. So there's a bunch of stuff in here. Cool. It says, yeah, it's thick. And here's another one I haven't seen, a spicy crab hot pot Vietnamese variety from Vifon. This is cool. Yeah, here's another one of the omachi varieties. This is the tomato spaghetti sauce one. Did I have this one? I don't know. I'm not sure. I may have. I've definitely had this one. This is the beef omachi, and it's got a really nice flavor to it. These are really surprisingly good. Yep, and the rib soup one. He lives down in California. I wonder if the same distributor goes to that store that I went to and where he's at. I don't know. Dude, what is this? An Ace Cook variety. This has got to be Ace Cook Vietnam. It's level 7 spicy noodle. Interesting. Here's another one, and look, it's got a big old happy squid on the corner. Okay. Now, I had one of these very recently, but I don't believe it mentioned a gochujang vinaigrette. So I think this might be a different version or a rebranding of it. Sometimes Nongshim will come out with stuff and they'll try it, and I'm guessing it doesn't sell. So they change the packaging slightly, thinking, hey, maybe this will make it different. Maybe that'll be received differently. That might be what this is. And if it is, I'll happily re-review it, But when I had the other one, it's a cold noodle, and it was really good. And yep, this answers the question. I've had this one. I have not had the other one. And I think I've had this one. I'm not sure. Maybe not. There's a few of them. These packs are interesting because they're paper-like at least. They're really trippy. And oh wow, thank you. I've seen these a lot, and I've just never gotten them. And cool, now I can review them. I freaking love tteokbokki, and it's so good, and it's wonderful. Yep, and here's the variety that has the black bean sauce. Wow, now this I haven't seen. Milliket bowl noodle soup. And another one, the beef flavor. That sounds good. Well, I've been low on reviewables, so this is great. Thank you very much to James from Lakeside. I will be reviewing these. And yeah, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you Enjoy making your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.